Going to see how to use JDBC template of Spring Framework. For this, go to your Eclipse. Let's create a Maven project first. New Maven project. Next. Okay, I'm using internal. Quick start the same. Quick start project. Next. Give the group ID anything org.pack. Group ID is my package name and the artifact ID will be my project name. So I'm going to use JDBC example as my project name. Finish. Okay, then type Y. Yes, we are going to create a package. Build successful. As you can see, my project is built. Okay, then let's go to our project. As you can see, this is my project. Expand it. Okay, app.java. Now we are going to, the next step is to add all the dependencies inside the pom.xml file to convert a Maven simple project to a Spring-based JDBC application. So open your pom file, go to Chrome, search for Maven repositories. Okay, write Spring code. Okay, click, scroll down, 6.4 version, then copy it, click it, it will be copied, and then go to your Eclipse and paste this inside the dependencies. Save it. Now all the jars that are required for Spring Core application will be loaded. As you can see. Now the second jar is Spring Context. Press enter. Click. Scroll. 6.14 is the version. Please remember the version must match for each dependencies. Copy. And again go in the dependencies folder and paste. Then the third one is Spring JDBC template. Again go and then search for Spring JDBC. Template. JDBC, enter. Click it. Go to the same version 6.4. Copy. Paste. Save the file. And now comes the last dependencies. Oops, sorry. Let me just remove and paste it inside the dependencies. Now, save the file. Now, the last dependency is the MySQL connector. We need the connector jar as I am using MySQL server. Enter. First one. Okay, scroll down. Then paste. Okay. Now all the required dependencies are added to a POM file. Now the next step is to create a model class. Let me just close the POM file, or let me just directly create a class. model class. I'm going to use the product class as my model class. Finish. Then let me create the required fields or properties. The first one is private int ID for product ID. Second one will be the name like string name, product name, and the third one will be the price. Now let's create the getters and setters. Go to source and create getters and setters directly. Okay, let me just remove and paste that here. Go to PowerPoint. Let me just explain you the second step, what we need. As you know, I've created a product.java class as my model class. Now, the second step, I'm going to create an interface, product DAO. This will be an interface which will have all the methods that are needed for our simple crude application like create first. First will be the create product method. Second will be the update product method. Third will be I want to retrieve the data like get product. And the last one will be if you want to delete the product. As you can see, I created a model class and then an interface which has a collection of all these 4 methods. We are just going to start by creating the first method inside my interface. So let's go back to Eclipse and let's create a simple interface. In this video, I'm just going to create this interface and write the method. And the next video will contain how to implement this abstract method. That video's link will be given in a description section. So let me just create an interface. So I've created an interface.